Yes. Yes.
Let's
Yes.
do this.
Put it on.
Let's do this.
Yes. Yes. Do it on the contest. That'd be so
Yes! This has to get number 1!
Let's go, bro.
Oh my god. Holy crap.
When you guys get to the sound pads, free for all and go Velo!
Oh dear.
Yeah, sure. If you want to do more, go ahead. What are we going next?
Velo. Oh, there goes Nacho.
So many people.
Ah, Giga killed me! Better for the Giga.
Go off in sound pads and then go Velo.
Oh.
I mean, I think that free for all might be screwed because there's a Giga ruining everything.
All me. Villos. I'm the big Villo. Let's go.
Look at all the views!
Alright,
Oh my god, I hear them. I hear them.
guys. Wait for the others. Alright,
The
still here.
Giga.
Oh my god, there's so many!
Oh, there's an Ava. There's an Ava coming.
Get it, everybody gang.
Guys,
No,
Oh my god, these things are
There's
ridiculous.
still Ava. I'll get still Ava. Kill it.
Fucking one-shot you guys!
Oh my god.
Who's doing that?
Get it,
Who's
my
killing?
babies. No, the Ava. Like, everyone get the Ava.
Ava's attacking!
I'll get it.
It's after Chaos!
I'll get it.
Kill it, Chaos! Bleed it
Yeah,
out!
oh, guys, kill it.
my
Surround the
God.
Ava.
Oh
Get the Ava.
my god.
Oh, there's a...
Yeah, we'll do Ava next.
Oh, no.
Fucking fairy.
Where? Where's that? Oh, there. Oh, no. You know,
I
fuck it.
don't
I'm
know if I
moving.
can TP people when I'm in spectate. Oh my god, so many viewers!
This is so amazing.
Jackal, kill everybody who's in front of me.
Oh, for
Where?
fuck's sake. Yeah,
I
that's
see him,
it!
I see him.
Fuck, get him!
I can't, I'm out of
Jackal,
stamina.
no! Milo's run!
Midnight.
Jackal! No, he killed half of them!
Okay. We're going
Who's
Avas.
Kara?
We're going Avas.
Yeah, Hera's next. Let's do. Wait, Hera or Para?
Hera.
Hera. Or let's go.
Hera. We'll do Hera.
Hera.
Kara.
No, wait.
Hera, whatever.
No, I think they're all saying they want to do Para.
Yeah.
We'll do Para for next, and then we'll do Hera net after.
Hera. Herasaur. Yeah.
Let's go. Wait for me, knock it out.
Look at all of them.
I'm coming. Eh.
Make sure Vic can't get involved. Vic.
Me?
He's being Vic. V-I-C. V-I-C, not Nick.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Because he's gonna ruin it again, because he's an ass. He's probably thinking, they're screaming, kill them! I'm like, we're fucking having fun. Screw you. After this is Hera, so do a free-for-all at sound pad. Oh, that's gonna take forever. Unless you guys kick each other.
Let's do this. Yeah.
This is actually what I heard a Hera is supposed to look like.
War, are you already hitting people? Oh my god.
Yes, he is.
Bye. Come on.
You're trying to get out of the way.
Get the youth. Oh, there we go.
Free for all, free for all, free for all. Free for all. Die. Die.
Oh my god, so much death!
I killed one.
Yeah, as long as you guys kick each other, you'll die quickly.
Yeah.
Oh,
Killed like three. Wait, so
Like it's just a bunch of
Herrera?
Oh my god, that's so many bodies. Herrera.
Who's getting on? Did you say?
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh god, yes.
Oh no.
We're doing every dino.
This is truly beautiful.
I'm coming for your punk ass. Yeah, it's me.
Actually, those hairs can kill you, dude.
I can just one shot you. Where are you?
Oh, you're a
nice.
Giga. I thought you were a Utah.
Hehehe.
Kill silent?
Midnight, she's
Giga.
loving this.
Oh, it killed me.
Free for all sound pads! Go! Acro!
Oh no.
Fight.
Alright, let's go.
Got hit, got hit. This is so, like, actually
So,
organized.
Kate, you're going the wrong way.
Oh my god, look at the death in the corner!
What did you say was next?
Acro. Acro. What we do after Acro?
Yeah, I survived.
Oro.
Oh my god, Oro.
Oh god!
Oh,
And
here we
they
go,
actually
let's
can
go.
fight back this time!
Yeah, that's what's
Wait,
nice.
no, let's go tacos.
Let's
Do talk
go.
after Oro.
Yeah, let's go, bitches. Let's go.
Start
Yeah.
moving, boys! Start
Oh my
moving!
god.
Yeah.
Get the pillow. Get the little fuckers. Get the little fuckers.
Get the little fuck.
Let's go. Alright, I'm out of stamina.
When they hit the sound pads, free for all!
Oh my god, there's so much.
They're so loud, like trains!
They are trains. War, it's too soon. No.
War no! No fighting now!
Oh no. I think I had that.
I'm fighting.
Let's go, free for all, let's go! Let's go, free for all! Free for all! Let's go!
I'm already really beat up.
I got one!
She's just slaughtering them.
Oh my god!
Alright, let's go, Oro.
Holy shit!
Alright, that is so freaking
Oreos.
Oro, indeed, let's
Oros!
go.
Oros! Everyone go to the Oros!
Alright, let's go! Let's do this, bitches! Yeah! Alright, let's go!
Come on, little ones, over here!
Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god.
Midnight wet me shan't.
Oh, no.
She's like, oh my lord! She's in hog heaven!
No.
Go biting each other.
No, it's
hit me.
pecking, not biting. You don't bite, you peck.
It still hurts.
Yeah, but it's peck. Alright.
Start for con, my little ones!
Where is it? Oh shit, there's a dilo after me. Not to help.
Where do we feel? Where are the other Oros? There's so few.
There are all the Oros.
They're all
Oh, yeah,
dead
there's-
because people keep killing them.
Yeah, we.
Or
Kylo would come.
Wait, let's all meet on one place. Let's all meet on one place. Let's meet on one place.
Watch
Oh, meet at sound pads for free for all.
Oh no! They're up! Up! We're so dead. They're gonna kill us. Oh, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. None of the dying today. Alright, I'm going taco.
what are we doing?
Tacos?
Tacos next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said, I
should do
promised
Ava's.
Then Ava.
Yeah, now I'm taco. Yeah, let's go.
Taco.
I'm not sure. On. Oh,
We should all harass this Rex.
I'm at.
Oh,
Oh, come on.
god! When the Rex pack comes in, it's gonna be hell!
Yes.
Oh, this galley is just kicking all of us.
We got kicked?
By
Kicked
who?
by
By a
Galley.
galley.
Oh,
Oh, I thought you meant
Yeah,
get kicked
it's
off the
Vic.
server.
Someone kill
me
Vic.
too.
Hey guys. Hey.
Well, let's just skip to Ava because it looks like it's not gonna happen.
Are those supposed to tacos?
Everyone died.
Which one?
Okay, all of you Ava's gather. I'll try to cut your ass because I'm a freaking Rex.
All Avas gather around Weirdo.
No, I'm a Rex. No, I'm not Ava. Ava's go gather around this little thing.
And when I say go, go. Got it?
Yeah. Wait till wait. There's still more coming. Okay.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for the others.
There's 1, 2, 3. There's still 3 more coming in the back.
Oh my god,
Alright, let's go.
Trio
Let's go.
is still at the back.
Oh, what Ava died? What Ava died? Oh, it's this guy. Kill it. I'll kill it.
It's not a Rex, it's a Hera.
No, the Rex is finding you guys. There's one Rex. Oh.
War is nice.
Oh.
It's not Rex, it's the Maya. It just one shot half of them.
Oh, there, I see it.
No,
Oh, I'm
kill
sorry,
the
Hawk.
Maya.
Hawk, I'm sorry, Hawk. I'm sorry. Freaking Maya. Son of a bitch. Come here, you. Arm. Get the freaking Maya.
No, kill the Maya.
I can't. I'm out of freaking stamina.
Wait until you're actually close to it before you bite, man.
Well, we lost half our Avas.
Oh. Right, Taco. Let's go, Taco.
We already did Taco.
Oh,
No, not Chimera.
oh no,
Not
not.
Chimera. Pew and
Going
Chimera.
back.
Pew and
I vote
Chimera
Rex.
are off limits.
I vote Rex.
Tacky.
Rex.
Oh yeah, let's go. Let's fucking do this.
Then Maya.
Let's go.
All Rexes gather over here.
Right here. Where am I at? Right here.
I'm gonna be in the
Rex is over here.
subreddit.
Let's stay one place. Wait till everyone's here.
Once everyone's here, I'll tell you to start moving.
Alright, guys, form a line. Form a straight line. Form a straight line.
Straight line.
Alright, we're ready, where to go?
Ready?
Oh my god!
Move!
Let's roll! Oh my god! I'm the type of... Oh my god! So retarded. So biggest recharge. So freaking amazing.
Look at this Rex pack!
Oh, black and my speed is crazy.
Or stop fighting people. No free
Alright,
for
Montana.
until we get to the other side.
Oh, someone bit
Fight
me.
the pew? Are you guys insane?
Oh, wait, let's try to kill a pew. Let's all of us try to kill a pew. Let's see who
Oh my
wins.
god, we're gonna have Linus after them.
Alright.
Y'all are freaking limping.
Let's all go for that general.
Alright, free for all, let's go.
Go general.
Free for all, let's do
Oh,
this.
War wants to fight them. War wants to fight them. Never mind, they're all
what's next?
dead.
What's next?
Oh,
Doctor,
they're
kill
all
them all.
dead. Maya.
Oh, I thought Kama. I thought we go to Kama.
No, Maya. Kama's off limits.
Ha, I got you, Joe. No, we did. Bye.
Let's go. Maya's gather up. Maya's gather up. Gather up. Maya's gather up here. Form a line. Form a line. Hang on. Maya's form a line.
I'm definitely a Maya.
After the Maya, we're doing Spino.
Oh no. Alright. Wait till all the Mayas are here. Form a line.
There's still more.
Let me know when you're...
There's still more coming. Alright.
Oh my god, there's a lot of Mayas.
Alright. We'll get the mark. We'll get the mark.
Alright, let me know when you're all lined up.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Go! Let's go!
Go!
Oh my god!
Gotcha.
Look at the herd!
Let's roll!
I can't
Go in
keep
the shortcut.
up.
Go in the shortcut. Yeah.
It's freaking
Kill the
Carno.
Cardinal.
card. I don't see it. Oh, there's right behind us. Right behind
It's
us.
sand! Fuck off!
There's another one coming in.
They really like ruining the fun, don't they?
Yep.
Yep. Alright, free for all.
Yes, free for all sound
Kill
pad!
everyone.
That sound
Kill
pads.
everyone, free for all.
Close enough.
Kill it.
Good enough.
Spinos
Kill the porno.
next.
I got Carno.
Oh my god, look at the death happening in the corner! Oh, there's so many dead bodies! And Mayas do a lot of damage to each other, so this is
Oh
not
my
gonna
god, they
take
do.
long.
Alright, me and Nacho are already Spinos. We're just waiting for you
I'm gonna
guys.
help. I'm helping.
Alright.
Kill everyone already! Guys, so
Oh, guys, kill the turkey! Kill the turkey!
Which
Kill
one now?
Krypton! Kill Krypton!
Krypton!
Kill it! Kill it!
Kill the turkey!
Oh my god.
Kill Krypton! Unite! Ah, it's so screwed. The turkey's so screwed.
It's gonna kill you guys, be careful!
Everyone, kill the turkey! Kill the turkey! I
Try not
got
to
it.
hit each other!
Alright, line up!
Everyone line up!
Line up! Alright, hey! Oop. Wait, guys, just one place, don't go forward. Alright, stop. One place. Alright. Oh,
Look
wait,
for
there's
all
some
the
more coming.
sails.
Wait for me, wait for me.
Alright.
Sails.
Oh my god!
Okay,
Someone picture
I'm
this!
ready, I'm ready.
Go, let's
I did.
go!
I already did picture like 8 times.
Let's go!
remember, you guys don't have
Oh,
good
I'm out of stamina.
stamina, so if you
I'm out of
run out, you
stamina.
run out!
You're out of stam already? This.
Oh, kill little Birdo! Kill little Birdos, killing everyone! Especially around the fun.
Who's the Alberto?
Trying to
I
get
don't know,
it.
there's...
Stand.
It's
Zan!
God
Kill
damn it,
her.
fuck off, Zan! He's trying
You
to
know
get you
what, I'm
guys to
out
fight
of
each
stamina.
other, be
I'm out of
careful!
Alright, what's next? What's next? Anything.
Giga!
Giga, oh, let's go. Let's be the big motherfucker.
Attack war!
Alright.
Spinos, attack war!
Get Krypton.
Alright, I'm gonna get ready. Line up.
Who thinks they can mess with like a pack of 50 Spino?
Hold on, let me spawn war in. Everyone sit still.
Alright, Giga's one up here.
Stan's coming back.
Get him!
Get his ass.
He's dead.
I thought we got the same call in Knoxville. Alright, Giga's line up.
Giga is
Oh my
next.
god!
Then then
Nacho's in
Stego.
the Kama did a flip! The Kama did a flip! Oh my god.
He
Alright,
killed
Giga's line
everyone!
up.
Oh my
Line up,
god!
Giga's. Line up.
Oh my god. I'm so serious.
This is too much fun! Guys, watch out, Zan's waiting for the pack.
There's like half camas and half gigas. Like what?
Why are there
I heard
cameras?
Giga.
I heard Giga.
Yeah, I heard
I said
Giga.
Giga.
There's like half
I see.
people that are going camo. I don't know.
No cameras. No cameras allowed. Giga.
Watch for the Zeri.
Kill the fucking.
Got him. I got him.
Nice. Alright, Giga, start moving!
Alright, I'm back.
Yes.
Stego next. Stego next.
Yes. Free broad sound pad unless you wanna fuck with war
Alright.
again.
Alright, let's go, Stego. Let's go.
War's gonna be a blockade! Stop him!
Alright, Stegos, line up. Line up. Line up. Alright. Alright, right here. Oh, not just stop. Let's stop right here. Alright. Line up.
Whoa. How did that? That happened to me earlier. That happened to me earlier.
Alright, line up, Stegos. Line up. Save our stamina.
Oh my god, yes, Stegos. Stego my leg now.
After Stego will be Alberto.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes! Is it raining?
Oh, the light just scared me.
I blame you.
Line up, line up.
Who's putting it? Who's putting rain?
It's not me.
When you left after 50 minutes, that's when
It
I
might be
started.
easy, I'm not sure.
Line up, guys, line up.
It makes it lag.
Wolf, where are the cameras? Where are the cameras?
Who?
Where are the who's the cameras?
The last again, hold on.
Oh no, there's, oh no. Alright. There's still,
Alaskan Hunter, seriously?
Let's
How
go.
many times are you gonna fuck with?
don't hit me. Don't hit me. Oh, it's Utahraptor. Kill Utahraptor, try kill us.
These raptors attacking! Kill him!
Ah, I'm dead. I'm down.
Was he an asshole?
Like, get me.
Next dino. Let's be Packy. Let's be Packy.
Next is Alberto.
Oh yeah, alright. Okay.
Pack, you be next.
Yeah.
You guys have
Albert.
stand already?
I can't spell Albert, damn it!
Krypton is attacking everyone again.
You dare attack me? No. You dare attack me? Guys, if you see, don't kill him. If you see, don't kill him. He bit me. Alright. Alberto, just do
We already
this.
did Barry. We're not reading
No, I
it.
don't know. No, I mean the guy wants to be parried. Alright, let's go. Line up. Line up.
Whoa, you're actually getting beat up a little. Look at that.
Alright, stop right here. Make a line. Make a line, guys. Line up. Alright, line up. Freaking Herrera, let's try to kill everyone. Oh, thank you.
I see them all.
Wait. Alright. Alright,
we're
3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Go!
Let's roll!
Chaos!
Yeah, let's roll! Let's roll!
Guys, watch out! Krypton's waiting!
Yeah, they're waiting.
Where's he at?
He's the trike.
Kill it!
Watch out,
Kill the trike!
Just
Let's
drive
kill
the
it!
trike!
Alberto's kill the trike!
That's
You're gonna get him.
Oh, I don't want to get bit.
Oh, I know, I'm out here. The pew! Ah, the pew's killing us!
I bit him.
Packy's next!
Lucky, let's go. Ah, I'm dead. I'm down. Ah, my god. Ow. Lucky, let's do this.
Fuck you, Krypton. Stop being annoying.
Alright. Packies unite. Alright, Packies unite.
What have we done so far?
I don't know. Pretty bad. There's lots of views.
Rex, Giga,
Oh, what the hell? I didn't know the
Spino.
pack is a jump.
Yeah,
The pack
Packy's
is a
gonna
jump already. I know it's an update.
Yeah, we
Oh yeah, try,
after
yeah,
Packy
okay.
did.
Line up, crouch down, line up.
We also gotta do Utah. Oh crap!
Oh yeah, Utah. Let's go.
So after Packy is trike.
Yeah, after track is Utah. After track is Utah.
Everyone
Line
avoid
up,
the trike.
line up. Oh yeah, I got it. Alright.
After Utah, we'll do Utah.
Ow, what the hell? Someone's attacking us. Someone's attacking us. Wait, don't go yet. This guy's like this. Alright, it's Doom. It's Doom. Doom's being
Doom!
Kill him.
Start moving!
Yeah.
Guys, Acro!
What?
Behind you!
It's fine.
That's fine. Seems cool. Let's go.
Krypton is Acro!
Trying to send it on the TMB Discord.
Kill you. Kill the hero.
Kill the Acro! He's an Acro! He's attacking the Packies!
Go. I broke his leg.
Why
Run.
angry with me on the spot?
No, he killed all of them.
Angry with me.
Killed both of them.
You're both with all of
which
them. There's a bunch of people here.
Fucking seriously. Try next.
I'm going track already. I'm going track.
Try video competition. I want to see what that gets. Actually, are you supposed to post it there?
You're supposed to post it in the video competition channel.
Yeah. Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
Oh, let's go. Krypton's wing. Kill Krypton. Kill him.
Oh, great.
Nice. I'm excited for that.
Let's see if he tries to kill you guys now since he's basically gone trike. Everyone line up!
Line up. Line up, buddy. Give me.
We need the rest of the trikes. Where are they? Here they come. Good slow.
Alright. We're almost complete. Make count. Okay, 3.
There's 3 more trikes coming.
Alright, here we go.
Krypton's a trike.
I'll do the
Or not
countdown.
a trike,
I'll do the countdown.
He's a
Not a
stego. He's
stego.
gonna
Not
get wrecked.
a shan, sorry.
He's gonna get wrecked.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Get him, Nacho.
Here he comes!
Thank you, Nacho.
What is it? All dino armor migration chaos?
Yeah. I want to see the video later.
Nice.
Yes!
Yeah.
Don't focus on him! Leave him behind!
Nacho, I'm sorry.
Keep going.
Sorry, Nacho. I made
If
him.
you get hit by him, leave him!
He's
Alright.
beat up.
What's next dino?
Attack
What's
war!
the next dino? Next dino. Next. Dryo, right?
Utah.
Dryo? Yeah.
Utah
Utah.
next!
Yes,
Utah, Dryo, and then I don't know.
He's a word like abuse!
Oh my god.
Utah's next!
Utah, let's go.
Alright.
After Utah, we'll do Dryo!
Yeah, let's go. There's so much barking. Oh, what's Toronto? We haven't tried Toronto.
Yeah, we'll do
Toronto.
Toronto after Dryo.
Yeah. Utah's line up here.
Dillo, too.
Line up. Line up.
Alright, so
Crouch down,
Krypton's
line up,
going dinos that are weakness to what we're using. So what's the weakness of Utah? Fairy.
Yeah,
Theory.
yeah.
He's hiding.
Just go
line
around
up.
him if you see him.
You just line up.
I
Line
want
up.
you all to ambush!
Do it, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ambush run!
Let's go. Look at the Ostro.
What's
Oscar
coming?
I'm live.
Oh, he killed so many!
We gotta run. You can't catch us.
Lucifer, get him!
Lucifer
Yeah,
is after.
Nacho. Yeah, Nacho. Alright, free for all. Free for all.
Reaper on sound pads!
Free for all.
Oh my god, so much death.
Dryo. Dryo, that's Dorado. And then we'll take
Bit
the
him
other
4
one.
times. Nice, he died.
I'm gonna change it to Oscar.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright,
Or after Dryo. So Dryo's next.
Line up. By me. Alright, crouch.
He'll go
Crouch
to
down,
Utah
line
and try
up.
and one-shot
He's
you guys.
there,
Crouch down, line up. Okay. Line up.
Let me see where he's hiding.
Crouch down and line.
He's at
Everyone,
the corner
go.
of the...
Someone needs to
Right,
go.
no.
Someone needs to go Rex and destroy him.
Oh, Nacho, we want to do that? Alright. Alright.
Alright, my dryos!
Alright,
Move!
3,
Move
2,
now!
1, go! Let's go! Let's go!
4 call, my dryos! 4 call!
Here comes the Rex! Here comes the Rex!
Rex is at someone after someone else.
Oh, Krypton!
Wow, now Krypton and Doom are both doing it.
Not
Okay,
here.
that's it. I'm coming out to deal with them.
Get him.
Savior! Your savior! Oh! Oh! Right, free for all in 3, 2, 1. Free for all! Kill everyone!
Where are they?
Ow! Alright, Stroud, let's.
Astro's
Stroud.
next.
Oh, that's alright. Let's do this.
Hi, Nacho.
I'll see you, Nacho.
They're all fighting.
Let's go.
I may help off and go to survive the server.
Aw, okay.
You've been on for a long time, though.
The first 2 runs were fun, but then it got a little boring. After like 10 minutes.
I also have to go in a while because I have to
bitches!
prep my.
You wanna fucking ruin our fun?
Alright, let's.
Come
Can I
here!
get?
I'm gonna go on the other server.
Alright. My count. My count
Let's go
on
on
3, 2, 1. Oh!
Watch out for Doom, he's coming
Guys,
too!
run.
Run! Run faster!
We're in ambush. Oh, never mind. Alright, I'm done. Alright.
Next is Dillo.
Alright, guys, I'm on.
Heal me, Hawks. I need my stand back. This is getting annoying. They just keep trying to ruin our fun. ZZ needs to help us.
I don't think she really cares.
She's probably just watching the chaos.
Yeah.
Fuck you, broken leg bitch. He's got a broken leg. You guys are safe.
Yeah, Krypton's over here though.
Break his leg.
He's running to you, he's running to you.
I see him. Come on. Walk with me, bitch. I'll break your leg.
Doom is at car now.
Or I need you to tail whip him when you see him.
What? I'm trying to get Doom. I'm trying. Trying to kill Doom.
Doom is getting involved. Damn it, we lost our Dillos thanks to him. Serrato. I know.
Yep.
Here. Fuck this shit.
Free. What, attacking Doom and ass riding him? Already? That was fast! He's making sure we can't fucking spawn! This guy's being an ass! I'm out of stamina. Sorry! What?
Okay.
He won't let us fucking spawn! That's it! If he keeps this up, I am gonna freaking kick him!
I'm trying to get spawn. I'm trying to freaking spawn kill him.
boys, move! Move now! If you don't move now, he's gonna go after you guys again. Just don't friendly fire each other. Oh, we lost some of our babies. Yeah, Shant's next. Shant. Next. That way, if they go freaking Theory, they're just gonna get stomped on. Or why do you need a heal? Oh, okay. Hold still.
He's coming back.
It would take forever to do a free-for-all. Free-for-all!
So amazing.
At sound. Oh, I see.
Oh,
Alright, all Shants line up.
Going because
Yeah, let's go.
Announce it at half.
John.
Is he a Carno? Are you
Yeah.
serious right now?
yeah.
Alright, we need one more, a few more, come on. Come on, line
Got
up.
him.
Nice. Alright. Move!
Doom is
Doom. What?
Start moving, and if a Rex comes by, stomp! If it's Doom, stomp him! Ow! I don't mean me! What's after...
there's people after Doom.
Creep them. Rex.
We done Rex already. Let's do Anklo next.
Or
Oh, they all died! Jesus Christ!
look on top of the river though. There's people watching. Amazing.
So much death! We gotta worry about those ankles that he cut. I knew it. Someone kill him!
Son of.
Now Doom is oh wait, Krypton's actually helping now. But Doom's being an ass. He needs to go away. Oh my god, the Hulk army! Alright! Turtles, start moving!
Wait up, wait up.
I know, she's watching. He's watching. He's watching. Ow! Fucking hell! Who the fuck is that Theory? He said he was stopping. Oh, they're having a free-for-all right now. Okay, Anki, free-for-all! Never mind. Well... No, we did not. I think we're missing something. We did bury, we did... I think the last thing is Kama. Well, Kama's the last thing. Is the last one. Get it over with. And kill and die on the diving board. Are you serious right now? If he starts spawn killing you guys, he's automatically getting kicked.
Or you see that other pew? You see that other pew on the other side of the blocks? Kill him if you can.
Yeah, kill Krypton. All Kamas come to the diving port to do the last living. This is the last thing.
Oops.
Oh well, that works.